Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in so you can create or modify a shortcut tied to your account. Once done, decide if you want the browser shortcut, a progressive web app, or the native app pinned to the Windows taskbar. Each path differs slightly. Make sure you have an icon file ready if you plan to customize appearance. Now, open your browser menu or the Windows Start menu so you can create the shortcut. Don't skip this decision. It guides the next steps. You'll now create the tangible shortcut. In Chrome or Edge, choose More Tools, then Create Shortcut or Install Site as App. This generates a standalone icon. Once installed, locate the new app in the Start menu or desktop, right-click and select More pinned to Taskbar. If you used a simple desktop shortcut, drag it to the taskbar or open its properties to change icon and browse to your ICO file. Make sure to apply changes. This lets you control appearance and behavior directly. Finish by testing the pinned icon. Click it to confirm Facebook opens as expected. If you want to tweak the icon, unpin the taskbar item, adjust the desktop shortcuts properties to select a different ICO, then pin again. Make sure the shortcut target points to the correct browser or app path. If things go wrong, clear browser cache, reinstall the progressive web app, or restart Windows Explorer. These fixes resolve most pinning and launch issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.